Non-stop, on 240, I'm standing right in motel,